Okay, welcome back. And to like some we did some payrolls and age calculations. And someone's comment on it said can we make some very good example as being Excel V local. So I want to show it how you work. When you say Excel V local calculation, that's what I say. Okay, since we do a lot of mobile money transfers and we have commission on it. So I decided to write this in a transfer amount. So we say transferred amounts. We use this one, money transfers amount. So let me just use the money here, money transfer amount, and the commissions I used to pay. So we say money. So we say money transferred amounts. Okay, now I see we have this money transferred amount. I'm going to do the tutorial so you understand how the VLOOKUPs look like. And the VLOOKUP have a secret. Okay, the first thing you have to do the VLOOKUP, let's just assume that we try to we try to type some figures here and we want to do some commissions in it. And the VLOOKUP is very important. Like in programming, if there are some others so trying commissions you want to make an adjustment in the computers in programming, if you're really trying to develop some app for people to use it, you want to pass some logical statement, especially when it comes to JavaScript. This VLOOKUP is very important. It can also be used for that, but now we're talking about Excel. Let me show you how it works. So you can use it on any depending on the choice of your business. So here we say, let's just say mobile money transfer. If somebody comes to transfer $1,000, let's just say $1,000, or another person can they transfer $2,500. And if you transfer $2,500 $100, another person can transfer $4,500. Suppose another person come for $5,000. Suppose another person come for $6,200. You see me? So you see, you can continue as many. So let's do, and we doing the transfer. We want to know the commissions, and we are not sitting out of the business area, but we putting somebody there. Suppose these commissions, the money have been listed almost the list go as far 10,000, as far 5,000, as far 1 million. The list will become bigger, so it becomes difficult for us to calculate to see how the attributed transaction work. But VLOOKUP can help us to settle that in Excel VLOOKUP. So let me show you how the Excel VLOOKUP can help us and handle work like that. So here I use a dollar sign. So now I come back to the scene commissions here. So I say that if somebody transfer 1,000 Liberian dollars, at least you should pay 130 dollars, $130 Liberian dollars. That the commission that you will pay for it. So that means if you want to transfer $1,000, you have to put $1,130 on it. So suppose somebody transfer $2,500. So let's just assume that your person should pay 170, so that the commission to it. But suppose somebody want to transfer the $4,500. So let's just say the person should pay $220. Suppose somebody want to pay $5,000. So let's say $250. That's it. Suppose somebody want to transfer $6,200. So we ourselves typing in we say $340. So the person will pay $340 Liberian dollars. So now what we can do here is to calculate the commissions and how to do the calculations in VLOOKUP so that we'll remember it. So the best thing we have to do here is I will select this. I will just select this one. I copy it. So I come back right down here. I can do any locations I want, but I would like to choose this side so it can be done right here. I can do it here, the two here. I paste it. If you don't have a chance, you can type it too. You can say type it, but for me, I don't want to waste my time in typing, so I just copy and paste. So that's how you do VLOOKUP, Excel VLOOKUP. So here, so now to do the VLOOKUP, the first thing you have to do, the $1,000 you see here, they 1,000 that you see here, you have to have that same $1,000. That is the first value that we are looking out to. So we type the same $1,000 here, and you press enter. Now you have the $1,000 here. Now you enter the formula here to commissions, because you want, as you doing the work, the commission coming here automatic. That's what we call VLOOKUP. That VLOOKUP can help us to do. The first thing you have to do is press your equal sign. So I come and enter my equal sign. When I press the equal sign, now you have to type VLOOK. So now you type VLOOK. So now you say VLOOK, definitely it will come. Just use the tab key. These things will be open. Yeah. So these things will be open. Once they open like this, you already have the VLOOKUP data. So the first thing they tell you, lookup value. This is our value. And then that they tell you lookup value, that the one we're looking at, because here we want to be checking at. So the thing is simple English. Then the thing tell you Excel. What make Excel easy? It can show you all the formula. Okay, they say lookup value. What kind of value we're looking at? That value they will click on our value for. You see why you're looking? Anytime you click value, they say command. You see in here, it say local value, you should put command. Excel set can teach you, so you put command there. They say another one is a table array. And you see table array. You say what kind of table we want to check from? That is table we want to calculate. So we click here and highlight all like this. We stop right here. After we stop here, we finish get a table array. They say after the table array, you should put what command. You see command here, we put command again. Now the next thing they tell you all again, index number. What are the index number that they want to talk? When they say index code number that they want to talk about, these are index. Anytime you see 1, 2, the 2 colon here, that 2 index there. That's what we call in Excel. Anytime you see 2, if I wanted to put name here, all this that a lot of information here, that means I could check all that colon as an index number. But as it stands, this 1 and 2 are index number. So you should put 2. So now I put 2 that the index number there. Now they're telling me I should put what? Comma again. After I put comma, the first thing they say, is it approximate math? That's what they're telling me. Okay, if it's approximate math, that means I should use 1. If it's exact math, that means I should use 0. So I want for it to be approximate math. That's what I need. So I'm going to use what? 1. So everything should be exact. If the 1,000, it should be 1,030. If you want, even now $900, it should not be. That means it's not part of my operation. So now that's what they are saying here. So the best thing, I just put 1 here, and from there I use the parenthesis close, and I use the parenthesis close. So now you close the parenthesis. Now the parenthesis close. Now you press what? Enter. When you press enter, you see what happened. 130 finish. You see what I said telling me? Let me make it bold. Let me make this writing bold so you can see the way how the writing look like. So you will see how it looking. I can even make it with dollar sign, so you can see how Excel is telling me here. See it? Now see the way Excel telling me. Is it $1,000? So if somebody come to me now, I have a money changing area transfer. If somebody come to me, I'm doing my work in Excel. So I use my calculation VLOOKUP. So if you come and tell me 1,000, how much I pay, I will tell you that 130, the commission is 130. So that means you have to send 1,100. So here, suppose I decide to type 2,500 here. Suppose I put 2,500 because we have 2,500 here. So I decide to type 2,500. I put 500 here. So now I press enter. They tell me it's easy, automatic exchange. VLOOKUP say $170. If you check it, it's in $170. That's what they call Excel VLOOKUP. So now if you want to make this thing simple for yourself, for you to be using it, you can also validate. You can go to data validation to make sure all the data that here, everything will get be here now. So what you need to do that, let me add your bonus there. That what you need to do, you come to data. If you click data, you look here, all over here. There's something like area called data validation. Yeah, here, that right here it can be. It's a data validation. You click on it. When you click on it, the dialog bar will happen. When this small dialog bar open like this, they say, what do you want? Hey, here I want list. In the area, I select list. We got so many stuff here, but they ask me what do you want? I want list. That means I want to get the listing or all the things you get be here. Instead of me typing, I just click on it, it can right away. So I select list. If I click list, they say source. Where play the problem here? So I click here. When I click inside here, they say source. So the only thing I have to do, I just highlight this. I click right here all the way down. That's all I wanted. I finished stop there. Next, I just click right this small little button again. So now I click this small button. Everything finished. The only thing I have to do is to click OK. So now I click OK. That means here now everything is set. You see small button finished. When I click here, all my work there, you see everything finished. Yeah. If I click here, all the thing if you count. So if I want 2005, if I want to 4005, I click, and you see 4005 finish count. You see they say 220 that I also to pay for commission for it. 220 that. So anytime you want anything that you can right, you see everything in that 6,200. If I say 6,200, I'm also to pay. If I click here, you see I also to pay what $340. That's how we call VLOOK, Excel VLOOK. I can do it the Excel VLOOK in so many ways, but if you have any other questions too, you can post it in our comment system, but in our comments area. But I want for you to subscribe to our channel so we can be able to do more. Thank you very much.